So around channel 1 here, we have easy access to the patient communication. It includes the talk forward function that we have here, and the monitor function and the talk back function. The talk forward functions allows you to talk to your patient by holding down the talk forward key, while you can enable the monitor function and the talk back to hear what is present in the channels and what the patient is saying to you. Also around wheel 1, you have the tone switch so that you can increase and decrease the level until a threshold is found by presenting the tone to the patient, pressing the tone switch. When a threshold is found, you can store the threshold by pressing store. The device itself will then automatically jump to next frequency, or you can do it manually. Once you obtain the threshold on one ear, the right ear, you can move on to the left ear by changing the transducer in this area here, where we have the change of the transducers. It is also from the transducer area that you change to the bone conductor when you want to obtain your bone conduction audiometry, or your free fields if that is needed. Over here around wheel 2, you have the masking, and the masking can be used during the session just by turning the wheel on, increasing the level. Once you have masked and you're done, you can then decrease the masking level, and by turning the wheel completely counterclockwise. In case you have a patient that's really hard of hearing, we have the extended range that becomes enabled when you get a really high intensity, and you can then enable presenting loud sounds to the patient's ear. Over here, just above channel 2, you have easy access to your test screens, your tone, your speech you use the most, where you can switch between the screens, and also additional tests that may be part of your test battery. You can print the results. Saving is done by pressing save, where you save to the device or to diagnostic suite, or you can print your results